Good morning, everyone. I'm starting off my day with Pocket Journal Pam's prompt, which is elves for this day. And I found the cover of this book called 10 Little Elves, so I just kind of cut out the elves and put the title of the book, and I stuck them all over the page. I thought it was really cute, and I kind of feel obligated to read that book now. And now I'm working on Emily Journal's prompt, which is Christmas Village, and I wasn't sure if she just meant like a general village, or if she meant like those tiny little villages you can get, so I did both. Guys, I'm so sorry you're crooked. I really don't know what to do about it, but I forgot about this. It's like literally almost 2 o'clock, and I forgot about this for today, so I'm gonna open it for today now. It is the 13th, I believe, right? Yes, it is the 13th. Guys, we're almost there. We're like halfway there through the month. Ooh, that's pretty. So, it's a bunch of black and white, like really beautiful women in like coats. This is actually sort of Christmassy. All right, adding it to the pocket. There we go. All right, and also I may be going to the beach later, which would be really cool. I would only be going alone, but I still think that could be potentially nice. So yeah, I might do that. You guys, I really am sorry. I'm sorry. Today's video is not very long. I honestly haven't done much today other than going to the beach, which was really nice. But I honestly feel like today was not really that great of a journaling day. I wrote a little bit here and there, but it was nothing interesting and nothing was really, I don't know. It just felt kind of off today. I'm having a lot of off days. I don't know why, but you know, it is what it is. I really apologize for this short video today. I think that tomorrow I'm gonna try to make it a goal to write some pen pal letters. I don't think I have many that I'm gonna write, but I think I have three or four. It might be 4 that I'm gonna try to write tomorrow. And yeah, if you want to be my pen pal, send me a message on Instagram, Cozy Little Papers, and we can hook something up. So yeah, that's it for tonight, and I'll see you guys later.